and they're going to vote. But you're going to see that they get more vocal. So they're standing up now, but they're going to speak up soon, and then they're going to vote. And so the moms of this country, I think, are going to lead the way, and I think that they are connecting with Donald Trump in a way that people are unable to comprehend. Now the men are going to follow the moms. The men as sons and husbands, fathers, right? They're going to follow, and they're going to get, oddly enough, the men are going to get courage from the mothers. And they're going to start to speak more common sense. Like, we just need to tone it down. We need to come together. We've got to stop. Mm-hmm. So I think I believe that's going to happen in the months ahead. But what we really need is a revival, right? Mm-hmm. We need to realize that they have to return to God. Now, revivals only happen when nations come to calamities and they have to fall on their knees.